In this episode we're looking at the Hornby iTraveller 6000. This episode is an unboxing and review. This is what you get inside the box. You get the HM6000 unit itself, which you can see is quite a small thing, only about the size of a cigarette packet. And you get power supply. And you get a power supply. And you get some, you get a locomotive. And so you've got, it's got a covered wagon, and we've got a locomotive which says satellite on it. We've got a nice red tank wagon, and we've got a green truck, and we've got a railer, and we've got a set of third radius track, two straights, and you get a traditional Hornby power track, and you've got two small straights and a left-hand point. Right. So that's dealt with the unboxing. In a minute I'm going to do the test. The red light is illuminated, which means that it is has been set up, and the blue light is flashing, which means that the tablet's not connected. Here we need to click on the HMDC icon. Where are we? That's it, isn't it, there? HMDC. And it says active layout. We have to go to the settings menu, and it's going a bit, and we have to go to device connectivity. HM. It says manually automatic allocate or manual allocate. So you have to go to manual allocate, and here the blue LED, whereas before it was flashing, it is now solid blue, which indicates the connection to the track has been made. Now we've got that set up, so now when we move the slider here, it should operate the train. There was a bit of noise, but then something stopped. So. Oh, here we go. Yeah, it's working. Let's make him come back, shall we? Just click there. Say about this, I mean, the first thing to say is this device is very small and doesn't take up very much space and will fit on the corner of the layout quite easily. The drawback is the Android interface. Obviously the only way you can control a train is by moving the slider up and down on this screen. I mean, you could do this with a mouse, which is a bit easier than using your finger, which is what I've been doing. I've connected the mouse, a wireless mouse, to the tablet, and that's a bit easier because obviously you haven't got to hold the tablet at the same time as controlling the train. Another thing I found is when the tablet goes to sleep, then the train will stop. I don't know if you could fix this in the settings. In the next episode I'm going to be looking at the HM6000 points and accessories controller. I'm going to be comparing it to the Hornby DCC controller.